Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your army size in Lords Mobile. To do so, you first need to launch your Lords Mobile app on your device. And once you've done that, the first thing you need to do is upgrade your castle. So for example, my castle is level 4 right now, and the max army size it can hold is 12,000. So once you upgrade your castle, your max army size will be increased. And the other thing you can do is go to your heroes first, like so. So let's take Oathkeeper for example. Click on it first. As you can see, my hero level is rank 2 right now. If you increase your rank, your command that means it can command plus 320 armies. So it'll add up from 12,000 to 12,320. So all you need to do is rank up your hero and you can increase your army size. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!